Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to enable email option in case object in Salesforce CRM. For example, in this Salesforce application, I will open case object. So, so in this object, you can see I open one record. I don't have any option to send email to the particular customer. Okay. So, but we can able to send a email from case object. This is only completely standard things only. No need to write any code. So may Salesforce beginners face this issue? They open a case record, they notice that email action is missing. Maybe the beginners will confuse like, why is the email button is not showing? How can I enable it? So do I need to write any code or custom action? What settings are required? So don't worry. In this tutorial, I will explain everything step by step and also cover the common reason why the email option may not appear. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first, we need to understand what is the email option in the case object. So the email option allows support agents to send emails directly from the case record. So instead of opening Outlook or Gmail separately, user can communicate with customer directly with Salesforce. Every email conversation is automatically linked to the case, making it easy to track and complete communication history. In real-time example, we can say like, imagine a customer creating a support request, okay, or support case. The subject is unable to log in. A support agent opens the case. Instead of copying the customer email into the another application, agent simply click on email button, types the response and click send. The email is sent directly from Salesforce and is automatically stored in the case activity timeline. So then why email option is not enabled or appear? So there is a several reasons behind that. Why email action may be missing? Some of the most common reasons include like enhanced email is disabled. Email to case or email feature is not configured. The email quick action is not added into the page layout. So in this all scenario, we are not able to see the email option in Salesforce case object. So how we can enable? For example, in here you can see I don't have any email option in here, but I need to add an email option to send a mail to the customer. So how we can add? So we will move to practical thing. So the first thing is we need to click on gear icon. So once you click on gear icon, click on setup. So in setup, in quick find box, you need to search like email to case. So I will type like email to case. In below of the service, you can see the email to case option. You simply open that option. So once you open, so in here, you need to enable some checkbox. So that is required for the email to case. Means in the case object, you need to enable these options. Then only it will work. So how we can enable? We simply click on edit button. So what I will do, I will enable the HTML email and also I will enable save emails to case attachment. For example, in your mail, any files is there, it will automatically store in files. If you scroll below, you will see like send email from the case. So in here, we need to check all this. Once you enable all the option, what you need to do like scroll below, we have a save button, simply click on save. So once you saved all these things, again go back to your case object, you just simply refresh it. Still in here, we are not able to see the email option. So then what is the issue? We enable the email to case options, but in page layout, we are not added that quick action. So that way it is not visible in this particular page layout. So how we can add that? So simply go to your object manager, search like case object, open case object. In this open case object page layouts. So we need to select the particular case layouts. So I will select like case layout. So in this window, we need to navigate to mobile and lightning actions. So simply click on that action. Then just scroll below. So in here, Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action, we need to add an email option. So how we can add? So in here, we have one option like email. You simply drag it into the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience. So once you dragged, so currently it is up here. So simply click on save. So once you saved and added to the lightning experience, So what you need to do, simply go to that case object. Again, one more time, hard refresh. So once you hard refresh, now you can see the email options. So from here, you can directly send the mail to the particular customer or that particular case related customer. So what you need to do, you simply enter the subject and enter the content. Case is resolved. Something like you need to enter. So then click on send. So once you send, automatically the mail is directly sent from your Salesforce org. So what happens after sending? Stores the mail in the case. So where actually that mail is saved. So you scroll below. In this, you can see all update. I can see the particular mail. You can see the content. Means content I enter inside the body. That is also here you can see. And also it will add to the activity timeline. So this helps to support agents to view the entire conversation without switching between application. In real-time business scenario, imagine a software company handling a customer support every day. So agents receive hundreds of cases. So instead of replying from Outlook, they respond directly from Salesforce. Every response is linked to that particular related case. So making it easier for other team member to understand the issue and continue the conversation if needed. So this improves collaboration of the customer and enhance the customer service. So yeah, this is how we can enable the email option on the case object. It's not just about the adding a button. You also need to make sure the required Salesforce features like page layouts, lightning record page, and user permissions are configured correctly. So if all the things are correct, so then only you can see the email option in case object. So once everything is set up, support agent can send emails directly from case record, keep all the customer conversation in one place and provide faster. So more efficient customer service is only provided by using case email option. So I hope you clearly understand these things. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.